super delicious. So you just take a couple scoops of that.
That's an easy thing to pack.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Again, and you can
some
make this at the
veggies.
beginning of the week, and it lasts all week long.
Excuse
bless
me,
you.
I'm sorry.
Pardon me.
Woo!
Bless
Thanks
you.
for turning away, but it was right on my sleeve.
You know, so we can pack that up. We'll put a little bit of roasted tomato on it and some cornichons. You know, top of some pine nuts.
Chef, we've got 30 seconds left. Tell everyone
No
where you're
worries.
located when you're open.
We're at 2551 West Queen Creek Road, so we're on the corner of Dobson and Queen Creek. We serve, like I said, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.